Well, since I'm shooting videos today, I'm going to do one. I want to see how long it takes to run a bandsaw band through my DIY setup here. These are, it's a 1311, it's 144, 24 is 160, 167, I think, bands. I think the 1311. Where am I here? Trying to do that without getting killed. This band is set. As you can see it says set and the weld's marked there. So we're gonna get this one put in here. I want to see how long it takes to run the whole band non-stop. If I'm just kind of staying at it. Ooh, what happened here? Get all my shit in the right spot. Be great. So I'll start at the weld because that one tooth at the weld sometimes needs some special attention. Let's see how the next one looks. This one looks like it may have been ground before. I gotta put some oil. There we go. Put some oil on that. Okay, that's just kissing the tooth right there. And I think I'm ready to go. I don't remember whether this one around here or around the outside, but I'll get a better setup later. Right now, it sits in the cradle good. Sitting good on that one. Let me just double check, make sure I'm getting all the way down the gullet. I hate not being able to see. Okay, that's clear. That looks like it's touching. Okay. Throw in a dip. Get myself my spittoon here. Throw in a dip, get ready to go. It's kind of like a little bit heavy. We'll see after a couple, then I'll just roll with it. We'll see how long it takes to go around the whole thing. I'm just curious. That's in a good spot. This band does look like it's been ground before. So I haven't timed this yet. Let's get ourselves over to the weld. So one thing I'll say about doing the tooth that's in the weld. Oops, what the hell's going on here? One thing that I like to do on that one weld tooth that's odd spaced because the band got cut apart here is I will flip this over so it's not touching. I'll take the tooth over to where it's kind of just kissing. Hold it there. Oops. Lock it in. Want it like just barely kissing, almost to where I have to put a little side pressure on it, just to do that one tooth, and then I think I can rock and roll. Hopefully nothing was wrong here, and this is a pretty clean pass. But it doesn't matter because sometimes shit goes wrong anyway. So, oh, it's at 5 minutes. Let's just go with 5 minutes. I'm going to start right now. Let's go right here. Maybe I'll get a little closer. It's going to be a little loud. We'll just say we start at 5 minutes, so it'll be a couple seconds behind it. This is tight. blade. Some damage to this blade. And I'll ground it out. If you haven't watched any of my other videos, so this stuff is crazy long. I'm not going to show you the teeth. I mean, they're coming out perfect. Right on angle, perfectly sharp. I mean, I can tell looking at them as they go away together. They're perfect, like brand new. Oh, I skipped the tooth there. Damn it. That sucks. You messed up my mojo. Cost me like 15 seconds. So with this light shining over my shoulder, I can see the glinting on the teeth, where the teeth were, any of them that weren't perfectly sharp. Whether it's been ground out or not. Maybe I will get down and just show you. They look so good. Almost there. And I can tell whether the face has been hit And what I do know is when I'm done here, every tooth is going to be sharp. Just a few more. Time. 17. So it took me 12 minutes to grind that whole band. I'll show you what the teeth look like because some of you probably haven't seen it before. You might be watching this for the first time. So my rock, and if you've seen this before, I apologize, but I've profiled my rock to fit perfectly in the gullet. And let's see if I can get this in focus. So these teeth are perfect at 7 degrees. Grinds out the gullets too. I don't know if I can get a good view. So you can kind of see along this view here how they're all like brand new. This is like, you know, grab and use sharp. There's a burr on every tooth. I'll show you what the burr looks like. Let's see if I get a cut, my dip cut behind it. You see the little burr up on top of the tooth? Right on top of my finger there. And that burr, what the burr is telling you is that you got the tooth sharp. See a little burr? So this is like prickly sharp. This took me exactly 12 minutes. It's just an Oregon grinder. This one's a 511A. I have a 52120 also down in the garage. But yeah, the whole gullet, the whole tooth, 12 minutes. It's not too bad. I was curious. I was wondering how long it took. So since I'm shooting the shit out of videos today, we'll